everyone. So we are discussing the topic is incompatibility and the revision topic in the prescriptions. So the definitions of the incompatibilities are when the two or more drugs, ingredients in the prescriptions are mixed together that it show the undesired change. So it may take place in the physical, chemical and therapeutical properties of the medicaments and is known as a term as incompatibility. So what is the incompatibility? Incompatibility, that means it is of the three types. Incompatibility in the prescription are like therapeutic incompatibility, physical incompatibility and chemical incompatibility. As we discussed the earlier is the therapeutic incompatibility. Therapeutic incompatibility, that means the usually this incompatibility arise when one or more drug produce the response, so the intensity different from the intended their patients. So the classifications of the therapeutic incompatibilities are the overdose, underdose, improper consumption by the patient and contraindicated drugs. As a classification of the overdose, if we are taking the overdose, then it show the incompatibility in the prescriptions, and the underdose is also there. So the improper consumption by the patient, if the patient is not taking the drug properly, so that means it show the incompatibility. And as we discussed earlier, for the examples and the contraindicated drugs, those drugs are contraindicated with each other. So now we are discussing to the physical incompatibility. The physical incompatibilities are, it is usually due to the immiscibility or insolubility. It can cause slightly non-uniform products from which removals on accurate dose it is very difficult. The physical incompatibility, the classification of this, it's immiscibility, insolubility and liquefaction. The three types of incompatibilities are immiscibility, insolubility and liquefaction. The first one is immiscibility. What is immiscibility? The oil are immiscible with water. Oil and are immiscible with water due to the enhanced combination of oily drugs with water produce a product possessing two separate layers. That means that these problems can be overcome by emulsifications or solubilization methods. So it care must be taken when concentrated hydroalcoholic solutions of volatile oils such as spirits and concentrated waters are used to adjuncts like flavoring agents. So immiscibility, that means oil and water are immiscible with each other. It show the immiscibility. If it is mentioned in the prescription, then it show the incompatibility. So that's this type of incompatibility are called as the physical incompatibility. Now coming to the insolubility. What do you mean by the insolubility? As we discussed earlier, if the drug is insoluble in water, then it is that means it is we are discussing about the solid and liquid. If we are discussing the two immiscible liquid, that means we are studying about the two liquids. So now we are discussing the insolubility. The liquids are preparations containing the indiffusible solids such as chalk, aromatic chalk powders, and like drugs, and the calamines and zinc oxide in the lotion. These are the solid substances which are insoluble in water. So some insoluble powders such as sulfur and certain corticosteroids and antibiotics are difficult to wet with water. So examples are saponins from sulfur containing lotions, and when this prevents when a resinous tinctures is added to water. This is the example: saponin of sulfur containing lotions and polysorbates in parenteral suspensions and of corticosteroids and antibiotics used to distribute the powder and prevent formation of slowly dispersing solid stabilized form of shaking. So this is the example of incompatibility, the physical incompatibility. Now we are discussing about the liquefaction. As you know that when certain low melting point solids or powders together, a liquid or soft mass is produced due to the lowering of the melting points of the mixtures to below the room temperature. Thus an eutectic mixture is formed. So if low melting point of solids, then it mixed with the powders and it is produced a soft mass. Then the melting point of the mixtures in that the room temperature, then it is called as a liquefaction. This is a incompatibility of the physical. Like any of the two of the following exhibits this type of behavior. This is the example, like thymol, camphor and menthol is the example. So make a powder. If these ingredients are triturated together, they will form a eutectic mixture. Now if these comments, the comment says the ingredients are triturated together, they will form a eutectic mixture. The methods, one is all ingredients are triturated and eutectic mixture liquefied will be formed. So the liquid is triturated with enough absorbent powder like light kaolin or light magnesium carbonate to give a free flowing powder. So if you are using the another methods,